kind of show you, and then you guys can do it. But we spray them, gets them all sticky and everything, and we can shake them. Spray them some more. All right, so you don't want to get them too soaked, but you kind of do about as much as I do. You guys do about as much as I did. Once you shake them some, spray them some, and then we pull that trigger and get it good. All right, I'm going to stir them up a little bit. All right. Alright, you want to do a few? That'll help keep them out of the air. Now they'll clean themselves off later. They'll eat that sugar water off each other. What's in that can right there is sugar water too. We'll give them one more good. Alright, now we need our hive tool. We got to get this clean hung in there. Most of the time bees are real gentle. They're not aggressive. You don't make them feel threatened. They're not going to bother you that much. They'll be excited to follow this queen and get in this hive and stuff. That way you get stung a lot down the road. You get overconfident. So you come out here today, everything's calm, the bees go in the hive, no big deal. So you get too brave and too confident. One day you're in here where there's no nectar flow, and a wasp or a mouse is just trying to go in and rob the hive. You got their wrong sense going off and stuff. You always want to wear your veil. You always want to work, you always want to smoke them. Like I say, when they don't have an actual hive to suspend, they're not very aggressive. We're going to get that queen. So we're going to take, this is a can of sugar water. That's the seal's in there. Take the can of sugar water out of there. And we take this queen out of here. She's just hung in there. Alright, so this we just hang that in there. Like stormtroopers. We could have sugar watered them a lot more and got a lot more of them in there. Something's on my shirt. We'll push this all. Huh?
Well, here they come.
A lot of them in the air. We'll probably, well, you guys want to do it? I'm going to take them upside down. You're just going to shake them in there. You want to do it? I think we should. We're gonna spray a little more. A little thing.
Walk slow.
Here, you guys are cool. You got your veil on.
So what do you guys think? You getting nervous?
Oh yeah. Let's go.
You look good.
Yeah, thanks. Okay.
Oh, that gives you the goosebumps when they fly around your ear and touch on your neck.
It's a lot more active than all.
Look at that.
All
Goose
right,
pimples from bees.
Wait, kid, that's like the scary nightmare. Oh yeah, you're scared.
We can walk away.
And that finalizes the adoption process. Ow! Run away! I got nailed. Ah. Oh man, a couple times. Ooh. Oh. Run away! Ouch! Well, that concludes the